Hello, video maniacs of all shapes, sizes, and colors. This is Practice Dummy. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to re-enable the FVD Speed Dial extension in Firefox. Firefox decided to play nanny and disable the extension because it kind of violated some privacy guideline concerning Firefox. I'd more appreciate if Firefox had warned us about, the practices of the author of the extension and let us decide for ourselves whether or not to have it on. Now, I also have that extension for other browsers like Brave, Vivaldi, for myself, and it still works fine. So this here is going to be a workaround to get it back up and running for Firefox. Okay, the first thing we want to do is you want to go into the address bar, and you're going to see that I've got the extension enabled again for Firefox here. But what you want to do is you want to go in the address bar and type in about:config. And you might get a pop-up that asks if you are sure you want to enter in, understand the risks. So click yes, I understand the risk. And then click show all if you get that window. Now you want to type in the address bar extensions dot block, and you got to look for one called extensions.blocklist.enabled, and you want to change it from true to false. You can double click on that and it'll change it automatically, and that's all you have to do. And it'll re-enable the FVD Speed Dial extension for Firefox. And that's all there is to it. I hope this helps you out, everyone. Take care, and God bless you.